You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature. Hey Lucky Penny Shop fans, here we have a crazy set of electronic bongos. Oh, there's your batteries, there's your on-off. They're a little strange. They do work. Let me hit the red button here. Then if you hit something, let's see, the lights go on around the outside. See the zones there? The blue, didn't see any difference there, but now, oh. Okay, so there's some configuring to do here with these buttons. I just want to play the bongo. Hey, stop, turn off. Okay, let me just play you. I think these have seen better days, so the sensor pads are not working the best. And you know what? I know how to play the bongos. So I could still have fun with them. There you go. It's a set of electronic bongos. Thanks for watching our eBay product video. And always remember, if you see a lucky penny, pick it up.